Hey y'all, it's Kess. Welcome back. I'm really excited to show you some things that I got. So I'm just gonna get right into it. First, I got some friend mail. One of my really close friends that I met on here, and it turns out she lives really close to where I'm from. And so anyway, long story longer, she sent me some bandanas because she knew I was looking for some cotton ones and I needed them to go under my helmet when I ride the motorcycle. So she sent me those. Thank you, Miss Deborah. I love you. But I wanted to show y'all this cute little card that she put with it too. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest thing? And then got this card. I won't show you the inside, but let's see. Got this pretty, I can't even tell if that's right side up because it's small for me, but maybe y'all can see that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that because that is so cute. I'm going to carry that in my bag so I can look at it when I want to. And we went on the motorcycle today and I didn't get my package just yet, so I do have helmet bangs, but anyway, that's not what we're here for. I'll be using that next time we go. Alright, I'm going to get into some Portland leather goods. I already cut things open so I wouldn't have to fumble with that on here. And so this is from Veronica. And I found it on the Portland leather goods resale. It's called Treat. It's portlandleathergoods.treat.com or something or other like that. I can find a link for y'all if can you guess what's in here? Can you tell? If y'all are curious about it. It's packaged really well, so I'm glad of that. Excuse my sniffling. I still have a little lingering, you know, whatever we had. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I found this. I have been looking at this ever since I was introduced to Portland leather. A little betta fish. Isn't it adorable? And I love the fringe on it. I'm going to be playing with that when it's on my bag. This is so adorable. And it's plushy too. That is so cute. I'm so glad Veronica was willing to part with this because I won't. I love it. That is so cute. It's got the hook on here to use for a keychain, but I'm going to be putting this on my bag. This needs to be seen. Okay. On to this one. I've been so excited. I can't wait. I don't have room to have this big old box in front of the camera, and I'm knocking things over as it is, so I'm just going to have to kind of do this off to the side over here somehow. Okay. Several things in here. It already smells so good. Got the card as always. Littles first. I hate to just rip and tear, but I think I'm going to have to. This is a Sidekick, which y'all know I love my Sidekick pouches, in cognac. Really, really pretty, smooth leather. So if y'all don't know, those of you that haven't tried Portland leather yet, so there are smooth leathers, and then they're pretty stiff and structured. And then there are pebbled ones, and the pebbled ones are really soft and squishy. And so this is one of the smoother ones. So it's going to react totally different than my other Sidekick. It'll probably hold its shape a lot better, actually. Really pretty color. This will go with a lot of different stuff. So that's cognac Sidekick. Okay. I'm really excited for this too. I know this won't go in my pocket. Y'all know I like wallets that go in my pocket, but this was so stinking cute. I couldn't resist it. And when I found a pretty color, I had to. Okay, so this is a quesadilla wallet in Boreal. And so see, it's pebbled. It's a lot squishier, a lot softer. I'm so excited for this. This is so cute. Zipper, card slots, and then room behind here on both sides. Cool. That is such a pretty color. I love that. It's such a dark, dark teal. I wonder, I'm going to bring out my plum sidekick. I love green and purple together. Yeah, so let's compare what I was talking about. This is a more structured leather, and this is very soft, and yeah, this one's in plum. Okay, one more little. If I can hold on to it. I'm really excited to see this color. I just recently found out about this color from somebody else. Y'all know how I love my rose gold? Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, so when I saw that this was kind of a pinky, shiny, you know, metallic, I had to try it. I need a little more light. Woo, that's bright. Anyway, I think I liked it the way it was. I don't have as much light, but that's fine. I don't know. I can't decide. As long as we get light on these pretty things. Oh, I love that. Okay, this is the mini daisy. They have a daisy plus that looks like it's about the size of a mini envelope. The interior's kind of weird. That's kind of a mauvey color, but that's okay. So you could put like Band-Aids, AirPods, stuff like that in here. If I could get to my AirPods, I would try that out. They're in my purse right here. I just gotta reach for them. Yeah, I like to have my AirPods in something so they're easier to find. Oh, that's perfect. That's cute. And I'm sure I'll think of lots of other things to put in here. Y'all know me, how I find all the mini things. And so there's no telling what I'll end up using that for. So, mini daisy in Supernova. Okay, on to the main thing. Oh, she's... Okay, I need some more light for this one. She's bigger than I thought she was going to be, so I'm glad. Oh, wow. I love it. It's so pretty. Pebbly. Kind of squished in over here, but I'm sure once I get my stuff in there, that'll be... I hope that'll pop back out. So, lots of people have really good luck with the Almost Perfect, and this is Almost Perfect. I guess that's why it's Almost Perfect, because of this right here. But this is sorry, this is I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, this is the Sloan Doctor Bag, large Sloan Doctor Bag, I'm sorry, I'm being slow today. I've had a migraine. Nutmeg. Once again, a soft, squishy, pebbly leather. Smells really good. Hope I can straighten these handles out. So, everything I got was from Almost Perfect. Yeah, if y'all know how to shape up your handles, let me know. Because I have other bags with issues like that too. Because these are kind of wonky. I'm a little disappointed with that. But I did get Almost Perfect. So, you know, that's what I get. You never know. Okay, let's get inside here. So, story is, I tried my Speedy. I never have been comfortable with my Speedy. There's a crossbody strap in here. So, I started seeing these and I thought, that looks like a Speedy. It's not quite as round as a Speedy would be. but pretty similar size. And I got to thinking, the zipper on the Speedy just comes to about here, and it's really rough. This one is a lot better zipper, and it comes down the side, so I can get in here a lot better without having to scratch myself up. So I thought I would probably love a Portland leather bag, something similar to a Speedy, a lot better than I have loved my Speedy. So I sold it, and I got all this stuff, plus there was other money from the sale of my Speedy. And so I think I'm going to enjoy this a lot better. There's a big old pocket right in there. I hope I've shown this okay. Like, I hope I don't need to back off. My tendency is to want to be closer. Y'all know that. So I hope you can see okay. But anyway, yeah, so y'all know what's coming next. I don't think I'll use the crossbody strap, because y'all know normally, unless I'm on the motorcycle, I don't like a crossbody. I don't like to feel anything across me. But, so I'll probably just carry this from the top handles. And so hopefully the handles will, you know, stretch out pretty soon from just carrying it. So I gotta get this packed. Let's see what all fits in here though. Okay. I was thinking that this would go really well. How do the colors look together? I don't know. I don't know if I like those colors together as much as I thought I would. But I've got other things. But let's see. Anyway, we'll see what fits. There's plenty of room. So, oh yeah. I put 2 sidekicks in there, and that just covers the bottom. Still have a ton of space in here. So I'm gonna put, yeah, see, this is what I was thinking about with the quesadilla wallet. Look how that just kind of, the shape of it just kind of fits in there. Like, I can just tuck that over in the side right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just playing. Let's see what else I have in my purse that I'll try. Let's see. We'll try the sunglass case. Need my wallet and my keys. So here's my keys. Y'all know I normally pack things a little bit more neat than this, but anyway, there's still a ton of room in here. Like, this is gonna hold a lot. What else? I'm looking for my wallet. Oh, I know where my wallet is. It's over there because I have it in my crossbody where I had it today. I'll get my small wallet. This is the mini envelope. So that goes in there just fine. I could put that in the pocket. So that's what I'll do with it. Run it down in there. Still plenty of room. Wow. I'm shocked. I'm going to be carrying everything. I think I'm going to be carrying just about everything in here that I would carry in a Juliet. Let's see what else we can get. Here's my nail kit. We'll put that in there. We'll put my little backpack that's got jewelry. And it don't even have to be that big, but it's kind of round on the top. So I'm just going to lay it on its side there. That would probably about do it. No, actually, if I'm careful about how I pack it, I still got space. But we're going to zip it up and see how it looks packed. Y'all know I'm not going to carry this stuff in here, though. I'll come up with some other things. It's hard to do this on the box. I need to get the box out of my way. Okay. This has double zippers, which I also like if I want to use them that way. So there it is, zipped up, packed up. That's so comfortable. I'm gonna be just playing with it, and I still like, I didn't pack everything out to the side over here, and so I still got plenty of room. I don't know what all this will hold. So please let me know what to do with these handles, because that's really bugging me. I don't like that. I think it was just packed badly or something. But, you know, I'm sure we can work it out. Okay, enough of me running my mouth. Hope y'all enjoyed. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye.